Welcome to WalterWise, smart habits for a smarter life. Let's go.
Who says protein has to be expensive? Today, I'm showing you 3 delicious protein-packed recipes you can easily make at home, all for a low cost. First up, Chickpea Lentil Balls. These humble legumes are protein powerhouses, and when you turn them into crispy balls, they taste amazing. For the balls, all you need are chickpeas, lentils, oats, spices, and a bit of onion and garlic. Just mix everything together, form balls, and either fry or bake them. That's it. Protein bomb in no time. Next, lentil salad with Quark dressing. Lentils are super affordable and packed with protein. For the dressing, simply mix Quark with mustard, salt, and pepper. Easy and delicious. Cook your lentils, toss them with fresh veggies, and pour over the Quark dressing. Let it sit in the fridge for a bit. It gets even better the longer it marinates. Lastly, chicken hummus wraps. Chicken is a top protein source, and in a wrap, it's a perfect meal. Just pan-fry the chicken breast. Add hummus and fresh veggies like peppers, spinach, and tomatoes, and wrap it all up in a whole wheat tortilla. A quick, filling meal for lunch or on the go. And the best part? It's packed with protein, but so simple to make. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart recipes.